The International Trade Bank Answer. March 14, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. As recently discussed as part of the Jural Assembly Series, the interface between the world of fact and the world of fiction occurs in the international jurisdiction of the sea. On one side of the corporate veil bar is the land and soil and the lawful realm of actual assets and actual money, and on the other side, is the legal world of the sea and the air, the realm of bills of lading and commercial script. To my knowledge, there is one form of institution that can handle transactions on either side of the veil, according to kind, and do so very efficiently, the International Trade Bank. The international trade banks have been mothballed over the years while their commercial bank sisters took over the world and forced everything and everyone to function in commerce as commercial corporations. Now that more and more of us have caught onto the scam and are removing ourselves from this web of deceit and enslavement, the two sides of the issue, the gold bugs on one side, the commercial banking interests on the other, are offering us deals we can't refuse. According to them, we have a quasi-military version touting itself as the Quantum Financial System, QFS, which is just a glorified file data storage system, and we have the antiquated SWIFT system, neither of which are all things to all people, and both of which singularly fail to perform the needed function, an interface between the world of actual assets, and the world of commercial paper. We are being told we can have one or the other, but not both, yet both are necessary for the global economy to stay afloat. The QFS won't work, because on one hand we are being told that all world currencies will have the same value relative to gold, which is an impossibility, and on the other hand, we are being told that there is vastly more gold already stockpiled than is needed for backing all the various currencies in the world. Neither basic math nor human nature are being factored into the QFS, and a system that starts out with false premises cannot be expected to succeed. How long before some military leader or group of military leaders decides to start leaking some of that excess gold into the economies of the subject nations and artificially tampering with the supposedly transparent system? Can we measure it in nanoseconds? This is, after all, precisely the same mechanism as the Economic Stability Fund (ESF), simply applied to a pot of gold instead of a pot of oil or a pot of paper, and yet another form of commodity rigging. It doesn't matter if the commodity being rigged is gold, oil, or paper. No, QFS is not an answer to anything. It's a heavy-handed and poorly veiled offer to set up yet another gigantic global commodity rigging scheme, expedited by computer and A1 controls. No, thank you, we do not consent. Our ability to form our own contracts will not be so summarily overtaken. Refer to the G202P3 treaty. We have it in our ability to transact our own business in kind, via international trade banks which can navigate the interface between actual and symbolic trades with ease. Time to get busy hauling them out of the mothballs. No need for another monolithic military-controlled commodity rigging scheme in which there is no substantial difference between BRICS and the IMF in function or position. China, have you lost your mind? Russia, have you lost your nation? US, what the dollar hash are you playing at? EU, wake up and shake a leg. Britain, Mr. Wonderful pretends that he is an absolute royalist, time to find out which royalty he serves. It isn't yours. We already have better systems than QFS and better answers than an arbitrary global commodity rigging scheme. And the treaties are already in place. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna von Reitz article videos.